Dear children, let us continue with the same chapter, that is more about decimals, and today I will give you the new topic, that is division of decimals. Okay, and division of decimals. When you divide decimals, you do not show the remainder. In the other divisions, we need to write the remainder also there, right? Okay, here when you divide decimals, you do not show remainder. Instead of that, we want to do what? And you have to write extra zeros where in the dividend to complete the division that does not change the value of the dividend. Is it clear, children? Instead of writing the remainder, we need to avoid the remainder here. How? You have to write extra zeros in the dividend to complete the division that does not change the value of the dividend. Is it clear? And I will give you one example, then you will understand. Okay, don't worry about this. I will show you how to do this. Okay. Example is 3.5 divided by 2. Okay. And first digit is what? 3 only, right? And 2 ones are 2. We need to write it here. And the remainder is what? 1. And the next digit down, that is what? 5. After that, here also I need to put 1 point here, right? Because after 3 we have 1 point here, right? In the quotient also we need to put 1 point. Okay. And 2 into which number equals 15? 2 sevens are 14, that we can take. That is 0, 1. Remainder we will get 1 here, right? And what did I tell you? You do not show the remainder. Instead of that, we need to do what? We need to add 1 0 in the dividend. Okay? And it will become what? 0. And 5 0, right? After that, we need to take the 0 down with the remainder. Okay. Now it will become what? 10. After that, you can write 2 into which number equals 10? 2 5s are 10. Okay? 2 5s are 10. See? 0, 0. Here remainder is what? 0. But actually the remainder was what only there? 1. But we need to, you don't want to write 0, remainder there. Instead of that, we need to do what? We need to add 1 0. Simply add 1 0 in the dividend. Okay. And I add 1 0 here. After that, I took that 0 also down. Then the remainder will become what? 10. After that, 2 into 5 equals 10. And the remainder will become what? 0. Is it clear? In the decimal division only, we can do it like this. Is it clear? Okay. And the answer is what? Answer is 1.75. Okay. 3.5 divided by 2. Answer is what? 1.75. I will show you the next one. That is 91.74. After that, you will understand. Okay. And the first digit is what? 9. 8 into which number? 8 ones are 8. And the remainder is what? 1. And for each and every step, I need to take 1 digit down. This also 8 ones are 8. And the remainder is, it will become 11 and it will become 0. That is 3. Okay. And before take the next digit down, I need to put 1 point here because point is here, right? Okay. And 7. Okay. After that, 8 into which number equals 37? 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. Now we need to take 8 4s are 32. And the remainder is what? 0, 5. 5 only, right? And next digit also down. It is 4. And 8 7s are 56. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56 only. That's why we need to take 8 6 are 48. Children, the remainder is what? And this one will become 4. And this one is what? 6 only, right? Okay. And here we got the remainder 6. But if the remainder comes, what we want to do? We need to put simply one 0 here. Simply one 0 in the remainder only, right? In the dividend only, right? And I put one 0 in the dividend. Okay. After that, I can take that 0 also down. The remainder will become what? 60. Then 8 into which number equals 60? 8 sevens are 56. Again remainder will come. What I want to do? Okay, it will become 10 and it will become 5. And this one is 0, 4. Okay, and again remainder is remainder is there. So I need to add one more 0 in the dividend. Okay. Yeah, we can add any number of zeros like that, right? That does not affect the dividend. Okay. And then after that I can take next 0 also down. Then after that 8 into which number equals 40? 8 5s are 40. Okay. 8 5s are 40 and the remainder is what? 0. At that moment I can stop the division. Is it clear? Whenever the remainder will become 0, at that moment we can stop the division. And the answer is what? Answer is what? Just a second. Okay. Answer is, I will check it here because it's long one only, right? And answer is, I will tell 11.4675. Is it clear? Okay. And the next number is 782.6 divided by 5. And for the first digit is 7. 5 ones are 5. And the remainder is 2. Okay, for the next step I need to take next digit down, 28. And 5 5s are 25. And the remainder is what? 3. And for next step I need to take next digit down, that is 32. And 5 6 are 30. And the remainder is what? 0 2. After that I need to take next digit also down. But one thing is there, one point is there. I need to put one point in the quotient also. Then only I can take the next digit down. That is what? 6. 26 only, right? Okay. And 5 5s are 25. And just a second. Okay. And 0 1. The remainder is 1. And see, if the remainder comes, what I want to do? I need to put one 0 in the dividend. After that, I need to take that 0 down and write it with that remainder. It will become 10. After that, 5 into which number equals 10? 2. And the remainder is what? 0. When the remainder is 0, at that moment we can stop the division. And the answer is what? 156.52. Okay, is it clear? And the next one, exercise problems 8C. Divide until the remainder is 0 only, right? First problem is what? 90.3 divided by 6. The same like only. First digit is 9. 6 ones are 6 and the remainder is 3. Okay. And for the next step, next digit down. And 6 5s are 30. Remainder is 0. But I need to take next digit down. Before that I need to put what? Point here. Okay. And next digit down, that is 3. But I took the next digit down, but that number is less than divisor. I told you before, right? So what we want to do? We need to put one 0 here. Then only we need to take next digit also down. But we don't have next digit here, right? So we need to put one 0 here. Then I can take that 0 also here. Okay, and 6 5s are what? 30. Okay, 0. And answer is what? 15.05. Okay, answer is what? 15.05. Okay, is it clear? And the next one is 0.65. 0.65 divided by 5. First digit is what? 0 only. I can't do anything with this number, right? So I simply put one 0 here. After that, one point also. 0 here, 0. And one point also there. I need to take next digit down. That is 6. 5 ones are 5. And the remainder is what? 1. Okay, remainder is 1. And see, I need to take next digit also down. 5. And 5 3s are what? 15. And the remainder is what? 0 only, right? 0 only. Okay, here we don't have any problem because the remainder is what? 0. So answer is 0.13 only, right? Okay, and the next one, 3.1 divided by 4. How? See, for the first digit, right? Okay, for the first digit is 3 only. That is less than the divisor. We can't do anything with that, right? So we need to consider first two digits together. That's why I need to write what? Okay, and I need to write I need to consider 31 only, right? Okay, 4 into which number equals 31? 4 7s are 28. Okay, and after that the remainder is what? 0 3 only. Okay, and if the remainder comes for the division of the decimal numbers, if the remainder comes, we want to do what? We need to add one 0 in the dividend. After that we need to take that digit also down. Again 4 7s are 28. And see, and the remainder is what? 2 only here, right? Okay, and again remainder is here. So we want to do what? You know how to do this? This one will become 2. Okay, and we need to add one more 0 with the dividend. Okay, and we need to take that digit also down. Then it will become 20. Then 4 5s are 20. And the remainder is what? 0. At that point we can stop. And the answer is 0.775. Is it clear? Okay. And the next one is 9.15 divided by 2 only, right? And first digit is 9. 2 4s are 8. 1. Okay. And the next digit down. Before that we need to put one point here also. Okay. And 2 5s are 10. And the remainder is 1. And next digit down. That is what? 5. And 2 7s are what? 14. And the remainder is 1. And if the remainder comes, we need to add one 0 with the dividend. And after that we can take that digit also down. Then 2 5s are 10. Okay. Then the remainder is 0. Then we can stop. And the answer is what? Answer is 4.575 is the answer, right? Is it clear, children? Okay. Then next one is your homework only. Homework questions are exercise 8C, page number 121, question number 3, E, F, G and H. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you.